Are your Loom videos stuck loading, showing a blank screen, or refusing to play altogether? Video loading problems can happen for several reasons, but most issues can be resolved quickly. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Loom videos not loading in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Loom videos are streamed online, so slow or interrupted connections can prevent videos from loading properly. Try refreshing the Loom page and loading the video again. Sometimes a simple refresh is enough to fix temporary playback issues. Stored browser data can occasionally interfere with video playback. Clearing your cache and cookies may help resolve loading problems. If the issue continues, open the same video in a different browser. This can help determine whether the problem is related to your current browser. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or security add-ons, may interfere with video playback. Temporarily disable them and test again. Occasionally, the issue may be caused by a temporary platform outage. Check Loom's status information to see whether there are any known service disruptions. If possible, try opening the video on another computer, tablet, or phone. This helps identify whether the issue is specific to one device. And that's how to fix Loom videos not loading in 2026. By checking your connection, browser settings, and potential service issues, you can solve most playback problems quickly. So try these troubleshooting steps and get your videos working again. Thanks for watching.